Okay, what?
Sing, come on. Sing for me. Louder.
Happy birthday to you. She's conducting. Louder.
Louder, come on. I can hear you.
Dear Kenzie.
Ari, Chris sang the whole thing, Ari. You have to sing it by yourself.
Happy birthday to you. Do you want a lap dance too? Like, jeez.
If you come tonight.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Ooh, I get coupons. Alright, let me make a wish. Yeah, I know, Chris.
Okay.
I know. Gosh. Okay, I made
Is that a
it.
prayer or a wish?
Okay, I made it. So
So now you can blow the candle.
oh, I blew it all out at the once.
No one.
It's one candle.
My wish is gonna come true. Alright, ready?
Ready? Why is she cutting it like that? What is she doing?
I'm smearing my knee.
Oh.
Why's your hand shaking like that?
Because my hands shake sometimes. Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
I should open the box, right?
Hello? What?